To love's eternal glory.
Rich, give your speech.
Here, here. To honor.
I'm crying.
Beloved family and friends, today we gather under the open sky and surrounded by the beauty of nature to bear witness to a remarkable moment in the lives of Stefen and Chelsea. Take a moment to pause, look back, and smile at all the moments that brought you here, and look ahead to all the moments that are still to come. At this point, I'm going to start with the vows. Do you, Chelsea, take Stefen to be your lawfully wedded husband, to have and to hold in sickness and in health, in good times and not so good times, for richer or poor, keeping yourself unto him for as long as you both shall live?
I do.
Do you, Stefen, take Chelsea to be your lawfully wedded wife, to have and to hold in sickness and health, in good times and not so good times, for richer or poor, keeping yourself unto her for as long as you both shall live?
I do.
Rich, I need a ring, please. Thank you, sir. Chelsea, place the ring on Stefen's finger and repeat after me. Yeah, other hand there, please. Sorry, I didn't mean to laugh on the mic. Stefen, I give you this ring
Stefen, I give you this ring
as a symbol of my love,
as a symbol of my love,
with a pledge to love you today, tomorrow, always and forever.
With the pledge to love you today,
Tomorrow.
always and forever.
And now, Stefen, place the ring on Chelsea's finger and repeat after me. Chelsea, I give you this ring
Chelsea, I give you this ring
as a symbol of my love,
as a symbol of my love.
with a pledge to love today,
With the pledge to love today,
tomorrow,
tomorrow,
always,
always,
and forever.
and forever.
This was easy.
Sorry.
I asked you to do that.
Before these witnesses, you have pledged to be joined in marriage. You now have sealed the pledge with your wedding rights. By the rights vested in me by the great state of Pennsylvania, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Stefen, you may now kiss your bride. And now it gives me great pleasure to announce the new Mr. and Mrs. Stefen Firmstone. Love is not happily ever after. Love is the experience of writing your story. It is not one moment, not even this moment. It is every moment.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is my honor to introduce to you, for the second time today, the new Mr. and Mrs. Stefen and Chelsea Firmstone!
Chelsea, you're brilliant, headstrong, driven, and so damn beautiful. And you and Stefen are both so photogenic, it's truly annoying. You amaze me with your loyalty and ability to be present for everyone all of the time. I truly admire the woman you have become and cannot wait to watch you evolve as a wife and hopefully one day a mother. I love you.
When Stefen told me about Chelsea, he was extremely excited. Like, dude, I'm talking to this girl from work. She's great. She hunts, fishes, loves the outdoors. And I'm like, holy shit, this girl's perfect. Then I thought to myself, well, maybe Stefen's just putting on a wig and looking at himself in the mirror. So he's gone crazy. So but everybody here, look at your spouse for a second and think about this. If you can go 5 days away on horseback, staying in a tent, 8 days in a tent with your significant other and your father-in-laws, and didn't kill each other, that's a pretty solid relationship to me. So I just want to let you know I love you both. And here's Stefen and Chelsea. Thanks, guys.
So this is a clock, and it reads 3:21, and that is the time that you were pronounced Mr. and Mrs. Firmstone and shared your first kiss for the first time. I want you to hang this clock somewhere that you'll see often to serve as a reminder on your good days, on your not so good days, and anywhere in between. And I want it to be a reminder for how you felt on this day, at that time, and right now. And I hope that you never forget this feeling and why you said I do. I am so happy for you guys, and I'm excited for what the future holds. And that's it. So if anybody could raise your glass, take an extra drink for me, and congratulate the new Mr. and Mrs. Firmstone.
Stefen, I've always looked up to you. Many people say they have the best big brother, but they lie. From us hunting and fishing together to many sports we played together, I couldn't ask for a better big brother. Even though I was better at hunting and fishing and sports. I credit that to me always wanting to be better and be proud of your little brother. I know we're some... I know we're 7 states away from one another, but at the drop of a dime, either one of us needed something, we'd be there in the next plane to help each other out. Stefen, during your speech at my wedding, you had Liz and I look at each other and said, statistically, you're looking at the person most likely to kill you. I wasn't scared because Liz doesn't know how to hunt or shoot a gun. You, on the other hand, should be scared. Chelsea, put your hand out. Stefen, put your hand on top of hers. Now, Stefen, this is the last time you'll have the upper hand in this marriage. I love you both and wish you a long and happy marriage. Let's all raise a glass and have a great time celebrating these two tonight.